Samattena vikkheta sa pasandi bhavidruvam. Is pasandi. If one compares Narayan with other demigods, now unfortunately it has come to so downtrodden position, the intelligence, that they are talking of Daridra Narayan. What is this? This is first. Narayan is the exalted Supreme Personality of Godhead. Even Shankaracharya, he says, Narayana para abhaktyat. Narayan is beyond this universe. Para abhaktyat. Abhaktyat annasambhava. And the whole universe is product of this abhakta. So we should not compare Narayan with anyone else. What to speak of Daridra? That is the foolishness. Narayan is Lakshmipati, the husband, the controller of the goddess of fortune. And how he can be Daridra? This is misunderstanding. Therefore Shastra warns, Jastu Narayanam Devam Brahma Rudradi Devati Samattena Vikkheta Sa Pasandi Bhavidruvam. If anyone thinks that Narayan or other demigods are equal to Narayan, Sa Pasandi, he is Pasandi, atheist. So we should not think like that. You may think that you have become liberated, you have got the position of Narayan. That is all false thinking. Abhishuddha Buddha. They have been addressed as Abhishuddha, non-purified Buddha, intelligent, not intelligent. Jis jannero bindakha vimukta manina tai astubhavad. This is why these things happen. One compares Narayan with ordinary demigod or ordinary man, because Abhishuddha Buddha, their intelligence is not purified. So, arujya krichena parang padang tapa, such person, by severe austerities and penances, may elevate oneself to the position of Brahma. Still, arujya krichena parang, parang pada means Brahma pada. Arujya krichena parang padang tata patanti adha. Again he falls down. Why? Anadita jusmatang raya. Because they neglected to worship your lotus feet. So, unless one becomes devotee, there is no secure position in the spiritual world. One may, just like a very crude example, you may have very powerful Sputnik, just like these people are trying to go to the moon planet with powerful, what is it called, the machine? Rocket, yes. But then, going with great force. But arujya krichena, similarly one can rise up to the Brahma effulgence. But if there is no shelter, just like these people are going, but they don't get any shelter. But they come down again. Similarly, one by severe austerities and penances may go up to the Brahmaloka, but he has no position. He has no position, because in the Brahmaloka or Vaikuntha Loka, in the Parabhoma, the spiritual sky, there are spiritual planets. They are called Vaikuntha Loka. Hundreds and millions. There are very, very big planets than these material planets. So unless you get a shelter in one of the planets, then you again fall down. So that is because we are after Ananda, Satchit Ananda, simply to rise to the platform of Brahma, that is Sat, partial realization of the absolute truth. Sat. Then Chit, Chit means knowledge, that is also partial. Ananda, Sat Chit Ananda. When that Ananda you cannot get. Just like if you simply in the sky you fly, you don't get Ananda. Therefore you have come down again to the airplane, airport. Without that there is no Ananda. Similarly, simply rising up to the Brahma effulgence, there is no Ananda. Ananda means you have to enter into the spiritual planet where Narayan, Krishna is there. Parastasmatu bhavanya bhakta bhaktya sanatana. You have entered to that eternal planet. You must get some residence. The impersonalists, they do not get that. They remain, just like you remain in the sky. You cannot be happy. You want some planet. But if you cannot get planet, then again you come back in this planet. Sarujya krichena parang padang tata patanti adha. Again in this material world. Therefore, we have to take to Krishna consciousness. That is real self-realization. And what is that? Very simple thing. Krishna says, Janma karmam me dibbam janati tat. If you simply try to understand what is Krishna, why does he come, what is his business, what is his form, the janma karmam me dibbam janati tat tata takta dehang punarjanma naiti mameti. Simple process. You try to understand Krishna. This is Krishna consciousness movement. We are simply teaching how to understand Krishna. And if anyone is fortunate to understand, then his life is successful. Janma karmam me dibbam. So, tada purusa atmanam kevalam prakite param. Prakite param. Now we are thinking, I am the product of this material world. I am Indian. What I am Indian? Because my body is Indian, I am Indian? No. I am the spirit, so aham brahmasmi. That is self-realization. The whole world is fighting. I am Indian, I am American, I am Pakistani, I am Hindustani, I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I am Brahmin. Dehatma buddhi. So, one has to realize that I am not this body. Kevalam pakite param. I am beyond this world. I have a far transcendental to this material world. How it is possible? Tadala kamalobhadas. We have discussed this verse yesterday. Hangamamabhimana utthya utthai kamalobhadi. Kamalobhadi. Malai. So long we have got the desire, lusty desire and greediness for enjoying this material world, then it is not possible. We have to become free from these lusty desires. So, this is Bhakti Yoga process. Bhakti Yoga, if we adopt the Bhakti Yoga process, then you become free from the Kamalobha. Kamalobha means the influence of Tamagun and Rajagun. So, as soon as we become free from, we have to become free from all the gunas. Because cheta gunai, cheta khalu asa bandhai. So, to become free from the gunas, that is simply explained in the Bhagavad Gita. You engage yourself in devotional service, you become immediately free from the influence of the gunas. Mancha bhavicharini bhakti yogena jasevat. Anyone who is engaged in rendering service to the Lord, bhakti yoga according to the, because we are not expert in approaching the Supreme Lord, therefore we have to follow the principles of bhakti yoga as enunciated by the acharyas, sadhu shastra, by the order of spiritual master, by the order of the shastras. You have to execute this function of bhakti yoga, and as soon as you become attached to it, you become practiced to it, immediately you become self-realized. Thank you very much.